Hi my delightful chefs, welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video we're going to explore cooking lamb loin chops in a cast iron skillet. When it comes to meat, I'm a naturalist. I want to taste the flavors of the meat, and I almost never make a sauce to accompany it. All that's needed for this recipe are some nice lamb chops, olive oil, or you could use butter, rosemary and thyme, plus good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's start cooking. Before we do anything, make sure that the meat has come to room temperature and that the chops have been pat dry on both sides. Then we're going to coat the chops with olive oil, which will help the seasoning stick to them. And then we're going to season both sides with dried rosemary and thyme, salt and pepper. In a heated cast iron skillet, add the chops, placing them carefully away from you to avoid any splatter. We're going to cook the chops on both sides until we have a nice brown caramelization on each side, which takes about 2 minutes per side. Now these are pretty thick, so they're not going to be completely finished from just the browning time. So plan to finish them in the oven at 400 degrees, so preheat your oven. And then we're going to cook them for about 12 minutes in the oven on bake. Once done, remove from the oven and let the chops rest for 5 minutes so the juices can redistribute evenly throughout the meat. Then transfer the chops to a plate, tuck in, and enjoy this little slice of heaven. Lamb chops like these pair extremely well with mint jelly, which was one of my grandmother's favorite meals. It's a flavor combination like nothing else I've ever come across. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!